Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you ever wanted to create a professional looking videos without being a video editing expert, then today's video just for you. In this video I'm going to completely website review of InVideo, a popular AI powered video creation platform. We will look all features, go through to the website, pricing, pros and cons, and audience review, and at the end I will tell you who this platform is best for. So make sure you watch till the end and let's get started. So first of all, what is InVideo website? InVideo website is an online video creation platform that helps you to create using artificial intelligence. You can turn the text, ideas, scripts or blog posts into the high quality videos in just a few minutes. It's mainly designed for YouTubers, content creators, marketers, business owners and even the beginners with zero editing experience. So the best part is you don't need the expensive software, powerful computers, and everything works directly into your browser. So now let's talk about the website's design and interface. The moment you visit the InVideo.io, you will notice that the website looks very clean, modern and very professional, and navigation is simple and everything is clearly labeled. So once you log in to the website, and you'll see the dashboard that is beginner friendly and not confusing at all, and you'll see the options like the AI video creations, templates, scripts to video as well, and text to video. Even if you are using for the first time, you won't get confused and lost. So the key features about the InVideo website is like visuals, voiceovers, musical subtitles, and huge templates library, text to video and voiceover, stock media library, easy editing tools. And while talking about the pricing and the free plans, like InVideo AI offers a free plan which is great for all the beginners. However, the free videos only comes up with the watermarks and limited exports. So the paid plans includes the no watermarks, high quality video, more AI credits and faster rendering. So for serious creator for the business, the paid plans are worth it and considering. So while talking about the pros and the cons, pros is it is very beginner friendly and no editing skills is required, great for the social media and YouTube. And then so the cons is like free plans has limitations, advanced customization is limited as compared to the professional editors, as well as need a stable internet connections as well. And let's see the audience review of InVideo AI. So while talking about the InVideo review, so it has just 2.6 rating out of 5. So this is 4 in the rating as well, but while you see the majority of 5 stars, it's a 63%, while the 1 star is just 26%. So let's read some of the comments of the 5 stars, and it's saying like thanks for the excellent support, and the next commenter is like great support, great service and great teams, and these peoples are amazing. And it's like support services my issue as usual, excellent service. Let's read some negative comment as well. It's saying that I subscribe to the InVideo AI expecting a simple way to turn my PowerPoint presentation into narrated video for teaching. Not even 1 hour later I realized it didn't work as expected. And the next comment is it's saying this is scam, it's showing about InVideo poor quality videos. So Now let's next comment, have to give the 1 star, create a review. So now InVideo is worth using or not. So if you are using for content creation and beginner or business owner who wants to create a videos without any stress, then yes, InVideo.io is a great services and a great choice for you. It won't replace the professional software for editing, but for quick AI video generation, for promoting your business and for your personal use as well, it does an excellent job. If you find this review is helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below if you tried the InVideo.io or plan to use it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video.